There we go. Resolve SM bus controller on Windows 10, at least on 21H2, on an Asus ROG G551JM by installing the chipset driver, which can so thankfully be sourced and installed successfully from Asus's horrible support website. Although you have to select your operating system as Windows 8.1, as under Windows 10 there is absolutely no drivers. It's the only drivers for Windows 10 on this machine, for this particular model, is the FN shortcuts, pointing device, and some useless tool which kind of changes the color temperature of the display. So yeah, Asus ROG G551JM with an i7-4710HQ processor and a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 860M. Resolve SM bus controller missing driver with the method I've just mentioned.